Mastering nonverbal cues in debate. Body language and eye contact. Hello, learners. Welcome back to our course on English debate structure and format. Today, we are delving into an essential part of presenting your debate, using body language and eye contact. Nonverbal communication plays a pivotal role in making your arguments more persuasive and engaging. Let's get started. Body language in a debate communicates your confidence, engagement, and passion for the topic. It complements your verbal arguments, making them more compelling. Maintaining good posture, using meaningful gestures, and exhibiting appropriate facial expressions can significantly enhance your debate presentation. Let's take a closer look at these aspects. Subsection 1.1. Posture. Good posture is the cornerstone of positive body language. Stand tall, with your shoulders back and relaxed. This not only projects confidence but also aids in proper breathing, helping you to speak more effectively. Subsection 1.2. Gestures. Gestures can accentuate the points you're making verbally. A well-timed hand motion can emphasize a key argument or show your enthusiasm for the topic. Remember, your gestures should be natural and not overly dramatic. Subsection 1.3. Facial expressions. Your face conveys your feelings and reactions. Make sure your facial expressions align with the tone and content of your speech. A sincere smile can establish rapport, while a look of determination can underline a serious point. Eye contact, another crucial nonverbal cue, is a strong tool for connection. It signifies honesty, builds trust, and ensures your audience is engaged. But how much eye contact is just right? Let's discuss. Subsection 2.1. Engage your audience. In a debate, you should aim to engage your entire audience. While speaking, try to sweep your gaze across everyone, making them feel included in the conversation. This technique prevents you from focusing on one person too much, which can make them feel uncomfortable. Subsection 2.2. Show respect to your opponent. During a debate, maintain occasional eye contact with your opponent, especially when addressing their arguments directly. This shows respect and demonstrates that you are engaged in the debate. So there you have it, learners. Body language and eye contact are not just small details but essential tools in enhancing your presentation skills in debates. Remember, communication is not just about words. Your body language and eye contact can transform your debates from ordinary to extraordinary. Keep practicing these skills, and soon you will be more persuasive and engaging in your debates. See you in our next session.